Hello friends, in one of our past video we discussed about the most profitable business laundry services industry. Now, in this present video let's see complete details about the commercial laundry equipment as well as the business setup. I will show you each and every machine that is required for running basic laundry business. Let's start with the industrial washing machine or simply washer. Just like household washing machines, commercial washers also comes in two varieties: top loading washing machine and front loading washing machine. These machines comes in different capacities starting from 9 kg to till 180 kg or 200 kg machines will be available. Next comes hydro extractor. It extracts the water from washed clothes. Good maintenance tip for this machine is the extractor should always run at its full load. So, if you take 30 kg washer, the extractor capacity can be of half of the washer capacity. That is 15 kg is enough. The washer and the extractor function can be combined into a single machine called washer extractor. It does both washing and extraction work together with single machine. Once washing is done, next comes the drying part. So the next machine is tumble dryer. The dryer also of same capacity as washer like 15 kg and so on. These three, washer, extractor and dryer, these are very basic and compulsory machinery for the laundry business. Next requirement will be for ironing setup. Steam iron and vacuum ironing tables are also comes in basic setup. Other special requirement machines are dry cleaning machines for dry wash and calendar or rolling machines for long length blankets or saris rolling. Once we are well known with our machinery, next comes the part how to set up those efficiently in our plant. This is washing machine. Place the machines in the order of washer, hydro and then dryer for easy moving of clothes between the machines. Here comes the drying part. This is ironing setup, a steam boiler and vacuum iron tables. And this one is sari rolling machine. Contact information is also given in description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.